So, number 30, it is the process of moving a tree by digging out the earth and the roots in a circular shape, leaving most of the root system undisturbed and intact. A. Root balling. B. Earth balling. C. Tree excavation or D. Soil hauling. So, ito yung process ng pag-transfer ng mature tree, okay, to another location. So, ngayon meron tayong bagong method and that is what we call earth balling. Okay, yung pagkahukay mo ng ano, pagkahukay mo ng tree, yung yung roots niyan ay ibabalot mo and yung process ng pagbalot ay tinatawag nating root balling naman. Then kapag tinransfer mo, okay, or yung process ng pag-remove mo, okay, ng mature tree, yan ang tinatawag nating earth ball.